The Gospel of Mark is one of the 4 books in the New Testament of the Christian Bible. It is traditionally attributed to Mark, a companion of the Apostle Peter. The Gospel of Mark offers a concise and action-packed account of the life and ministry of Jesus Christ. Introduction, Mark 1 verse 1. Mark begins by declaring Jesus Christ as the Son of God, setting the tone for the narrative that follows. Ministry of John the Baptist, Mark 1 verses 2 to 8. The Gospel opens with the ministry of John the Baptist, who prepares the way for Jesus by baptizing people in the Jordan River and announcing the coming of the Messiah. Baptism and early ministry of Jesus, Mark 1 verses 9 to 13. Jesus is baptized by John, and the Holy Spirit descends upon him. He then begins his public ministry by preaching, performing miracles, and calling his disciples. Teachings and miracles, Mark 1:14 to 9:50. The Gospel of Mark focuses on Jesus' actions and teachings. It includes parables, exorcisms, healings, and his feeding of the 5,000. Prediction of his death and transfiguration, Mark 8:27 to 9:13. Jesus predicts his death and resurrection to his disciples and is then transfigured on a mountain, revealing his divine glory. Journey to Jerusalem, Mark 10 verses 1 to 52. Jesus continues his journey toward Jerusalem, where he will ultimately face his crucifixion. Along the way, he encounters opposition and teaches on topics like divorce and the importance of childlike faith. Passion Week, Mark 11 to 15. Mark dedicates a significant portion of his gospel to the events leading up to Jesus' crucifixion, including his triumphant entry into Jerusalem, Palm Sunday, the Last Supper, his arrest in the Garden of Gethsemane, Peter's denial, and his trial before Pontius Pilate. It culminates in the crucifixion and burial of Jesus. Resurrection, Mark 16 verses 1 to 8. The Gospel of Mark concludes with the discovery of Jesus' empty tomb by the women who had come to anoint his body. They are told by an angel that Jesus has risen, but the original ending of Mark is abrupt and does not include a detailed account of Jesus' post-resurrection appearances. In summary, the Gospel of Mark emphasizes the actions and deeds of Jesus, portraying him as a powerful and compassionate figure who came to serve and save humanity. It highlights his teachings, miracles, and ultimate sacrifice on the cross, even though the original ending leaves the readers with a sense of awe and anticipation for the implications of Jesus' resurrection.